Hi, this is Nolan from Benchmark, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to change your staking tolerance within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius. So what I have done is I have accidentally created a staking tolerance of 200,000 feet. And what that means is when I select one of these points that's really far away from where I currently am and go to stake it, I'm actually going to get the results saying that I'm on target even though I'm nowhere near my point. Now, obviously, hopefully it's never this extreme when you're actually out surveying, but let's say you just want to make it a bit tighter. What you're going to do is, from this staking menu here, I'm going to hit the wrench and screwdriver at the bottom of the screen, and you can see I get my staking options. Now, I can also access this through hitting the plumb bob, the main menu there, and then clicking on settings options, but I'm just looking at my staking options for now from my staking screen, and you can see my tolerance is set to an absurdly large number. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it back to roughly what I need it to be for today, and that is going to be 0.98 of a foot. Now I'm going to leave that as is and hit OK, and now you can see instead of having a green check mark on my westing direction, I actually have a red X, and that is also the same for my elevation. So, for now, that is everything in today's video. That is how you change the staking tolerance within MicroSurvey's FieldGenius using the staking options. And if you have a moment, I'd please ask you to hit the subscribe button down below. It really just helps out and helps me keep making these videos. And if you have any questions about anything you've seen in today's video or any questions about anything you've seen on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit us on the web at bench-mark.ca.